Restoring a stripped hex wrench. Hex wrenches can become worn and ineffective after extended use. The usable life of hex wrenches can be extended with the help of a Dremel rotary tool. For this project, we'll be using a Dremel 3000, the Multi-Vise Model 2500 attachment, and an Easy Lock mandrel number EZ402 with an Easy Lock cutoff wheel number EZ456. This project can be completed using any Dremel rotary tool that works with all standard attachments. Restoring a stripped wrench only requires removing its rounded tip. The Dremel 3000 has been mounted in a multi-vise to aid in ensuring a square cut. Metal should be cut with your tool running at full speed, letting the speed of the tool do the work. Pushing too hard can cause the cutting wheel to bind, potentially resulting in a temporary loss of control. Here are some more thoughts on restoring a stripped hex wrench. Most metals will spark when cut. Exercise any relevant safety precautions when necessary. Wear gloves to protect from the heat, as well as debris generated while cutting.